Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this little show and tell. Yesterday I had some painters painting the trim of our house, so I was kind of stuck at home yesterday, and after a while, after cleaning and whatnot, I decided to do some crafting, and I was kind of in the summer mode, so I came up with these pretty kind of summer themed cards with ice cream cones, and I was thinking, popsicles, ice cream cones, cupcakes, donuts, that kind of thing. I don't know, and the bright colors just kind of reminded me of summer. So I came up with these cards that I wanted to share with you. So here's the first one I'll show you. I used colorful cardstock in kind of pretty colors like this lime green, a hot pink, and kind of a creamsicle orange. And I used my 1.5 inch circle punch to punch out circles, and let's see, here they are here. So I did these in sets of 3, and then I put the 3D dots in between them to layer them up. I don't know if you can see on the card or not, but they're stacked here in 3s. And then put my stickers on the front, and just to put some pretty scrapbook paper on there. This one's a happy birthday one, and there's a little puffy pink donut on that one. And I just put a few stickles on there to give it some sparkle, and it was really fun to do. Yeah, so I thought I'd share that one with you. And then the next one I did is on the hot pink cardstock, and I used some kind of wood paneling or wood kind of look paper there, and some words that say yay, yay, yay. It says for you. A little happy birthday, I guess a little, they're kind of, I don't know what they are actually, just little fancy kind of gold bling things that you can put on. I know you can buy them in the birthday section in the some of the stores, and so I used that and just kind of glued that on there. And then the layers there again, and I used my flower punch on the backgrounds of some of these ones, and it's got the ice cream and the donut and the cupcake. Kind of reminds me of summer. And there's a little fancy macaroon on the bottom corner there that I added. And then this next one here is kind of a creamsicle background, orange color. It says ice cream, please. And then these ones all have the different color and flavors of ice cream cones on there. And just some scrapbooking paper and a little stickle on there to give it some bling. And yeah, they were really fun to do, and I thought maybe they'd inspire you to do some of your own summer themed cards. And I just used these sticker sheets that I had, and they worked good to just kind of, for the little summery cool treats or sweet treats there. And yeah, they were fun to do. So you could also do it with a smaller punch. I think you could do the layers a little bit smaller if your punch is a bit smaller. Or you could just trace something in a circle shape and do the same idea to make the circles and layer them up. So anyways, I hope that inspires you, and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.